Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make potato pasta salad. First, select about 2 pounds of small, waxy potatoes, like Yukon Golds or red potatoes, for a firm texture that holds up well. Boil them until they are fork tender, which usually takes 15 to 20 minutes. While the potatoes cook, prepare 8 ounces of your preferred small pasta, such as ditalini or elbow macaroni, following the package instructions for al dente perfection. Drain both thoroughly. Now, let's create that delicious, creamy dressing. In a medium bowl, whisk together 1 cup of good quality mayonnaise with 1/4 cup of Dijon mustard until smooth. Next, incorporate 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. This adds a lovely tang that brightens the whole salad. Finally, season the dressing with 1/2 teaspoon each of salt and freshly ground black pepper, adjusting to your taste preferences for a perfectly balanced flavor. With your potatoes and pasta cooled, it's time to bring everything together. First, dice your potatoes into 1-inch pieces, ensuring they are uniform for a consistent bite. In a large bowl, combine the diced potatoes, cooked pasta, 1/2 cup of finely chopped celery for crunch, and 1/4 cup of minced red onion for a subtle bite. Pour the creamy dressing over the mixture and gently fold until all ingredients are thoroughly coated and glistening. For the best flavor, cover your potato pasta salad and refrigerate it for at least 2 hours. This chilling time allows all those wonderful flavors to meld together beautifully, creating a more cohesive and delicious dish. Before serving, give it a gentle stir and garnish with some fresh chopped parsley or chives for a pop of color and extra freshness. It's perfect for picnics, potlucks, or a simple weeknight meal. Also, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.